What's up guys, welcome back to the another vlog और another ओमेगल वीडियो। और जो भी चैनल पर नया, चैनल को भाई सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को भी लाइक कर देना। और वीडियो गाइस पूरी एंड तक देखना, जब भी मज़ा आएगा, स्किप मत करना। और आज हैं हम दुबई के प्रिंस, और हमारे साथ है अपना ललवा ओपी टाइगर। तो आज बढ़िया से भाई वीडियो बनाएंगे, है ना। तो अभी टाइम वेस्ट करे बिना स्टार्ट करते हैं गाइस।
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Oh, hello, beautiful.
Hello.
Which
You're
country?
really handsome.
Thank you, thank you. You also, three of you are beautiful.
Where you from?
I am from Dubai.
Dubai?
Oh.
Al Habibi. You which country?
Mexico.
Nice. What's your name? The one.
The
No, no.
one.
You.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
Le interesaste.
You have money?
You have money?
Yes, I have lots of money.
Show it to us. Show it.
Right now, come to Dubai. I will
Yes.
show you Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Bugatti Veyron.
I don't speak Dubai.
No, mensa. Te está diciendo que te va a vender un Lamborghini.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Oh, yeah.
Ay,
You like
Aprendan
rich
inglés.
people?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Greece.
Do you want to see my tiger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, come, DK Boss. Her name is DK Boss.
Thinkables.
DK Boss.
Like the dick?
Like dick.
Oh,
balls.
no. You are naughty.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया।
Hello, beautiful.
कोई बात नहीं।
Hello, beautiful. Nice. Oh, ये कैसी बोला है भाई?
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
Hello, nice specs.
Hello, thank you.
Which country?
Canada.
Canada. Nice. What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
Olivia.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice head. I am from Dubai.
You're from the way?
Dubai.
The way?
Dubai. I am living with tigers. Do you want to see? Come,
Yeah.
come.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
Don't be scared. Come. His name is DK Boss.
Peekaboo?
Yes, DK Boss.
DK Bulls?
Yes, just wait. I will show you. Come. What the fuck are you doing? Which country? You are doing like a horse.
What do you do to my what do you do to my child? What do you do to
You
my
are
child?
looking like a
You make her
horse.
cry.
You are acting like a horse. Yes. Yes, do it.
Yeah.
Just do
You
it.
make her cry.
Hi.
Hello,
Which country?
Dubai.
Oh, I am also from Dubai. Which place?
Sharjah.
Nice. I am very famous in Dubai. Do you want to see my tiger? I am living with tiger. Come. Do you want to see?
See what?
Tiger. You like tiger? Wait, I will show you.
I don't know.
Tiger.
Oh,
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
please.
No.
Hi.
Hi.
Which country?
Canada. What about you?
I am from Dubai.
Wow, cool.
You like Dubai?
My friend is from Dubai.
Okay. I am living with Tiger. You love Tiger?
Thailand?
Tiger. Tiger.
Wow, you have a tiger?
Yes. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Come, come.
Um,
His name is DK Bose. बे भाई क्या हो गए भाई? टाइगर तो दिखा देते भैंस के टाइगर भाई टाइगर. Hello, Merry Christmas.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Your background is so beautiful.
Yes, thank you.
Which country?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. I am from Dubai.
Oh, Dubai, UAE.
Yes. You like Dubai?
Very ngomong.
You like Dubai?
What?
You love
Yes, you like the Burj Khalifa.
Dubai?
Very
Yeah,
rich.
yeah. Very rich.
Rich people.
I am also little bit rich.
Oh, really? Can you give me money?
रुको जरा सबर करो
Yes, I will send you a iPhone. Do you need?
I want iPhone 13. Yeah, can you send?
Can I send you my gold chain?
What? PayPal.
PayPal.
Ah,
Are you fucking gold digger?
no, we're not. You said
Yes.
you want to give iPhone.
Your
But you said you want to give us.
your friend says PayPal.
Friends with iPhone
You
and
need money.
money. We want money.
I have lots of money.
We are broke as fuck. We are students. Broke students.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
You are student. I have Lamborghini.
Oh, so
And-
can you give us? Can you give us around 1 month?
How can I give you Lamborghini? You have to visit
Oh,
Dubai.
no Lamborghini. We don't need that. We don't want Lamborghini. You give us Lamborghini, but you don't want to give us money. It's money.
I am not saying I give you a Lamborghini. If you need, you need money. Come in front.
Yes, money.
Come in front.
Come in front. Come in front. No.
Yes. I want to see your face. Money face. I want to see your money face.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
I am living with Tiger. You love Tiger? Do you want to see?
Okay. Yeah.
Come. Come. His name is DK Bose.
Where is it?
Wait. You are fucking gold digger student. Fuck you. Bye.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.